Now let's move on. Once again, there's a little more to say about the cuts. You're already familiar with the Polygon cut, but we've completely rewritten it in this version. And now you have several other options which weren't available previously. So if I were to use the Polygon Cut command, you know how to use it. You just select the element, and then you select a few points to define the polygon. So let me start from there and say dx 150. And then on the new point, I just hover over that. As you know, I press enter, say the z minus 150, go down. I hover over this one now. I say dx minus 150, and then I can just go back, close it. Now, when I do that, you're familiar with this polygon cut, so nothing new over here. But when I select it, you can see that now we have these handles available, which weren't previously available. The first thing I want to show you is if I double click on this, you can change the depth, the default depth. So it's created with a default depth of 1000. You can make it 175, for example. And the depth can be modified. I can even make it smaller. So if I make it say just 75, I can make it actually smaller than the flange width of this particular member. Let's go back to 175, which is better. And the much more important thing over here, of course, are the handles. And the handles can now, so I can select this edge, for example, and I can press this button and give it an offset of 50, for example. And the edge will move in its perpendicular direction. I can select it again. I can move this edge. If I want, it'll go down. I can select the thing again. If I select this chamfer point and I go to the chamfers, I can select type 3 chamfer, maybe that's better. And I can say, give it a chamfer of 50 millimeters. And now I have this chamfer of 50 millimeters over there. Let me turn it on again. So you see, you have all these handles. The corners can be selected. The edges can be selected and moved. The corners can be selected and moved. You can even move it along by using these arrows. You can move it along the arrow directions. So very nice features for the new Polygon Cut, which I'm sure you'll find very useful.